Behind every freedom, there is a great responsibility. And behind every strong democracy, there are obstacles that must be overcome to preserve the nation.
Before we move on to our main topic, let's get to know each other first, because there is a saying that goes, you cannot love what do you not know. So, the ones who will be joining you on the Secret 5 podcast are us. Now, let's introduce ourselves. My name is Aura Mulia Handani, and my friends,
My name is Erlina Febriani. Well, in today's episode, we want to talk about something that is very close to our lives as citizens. Something that shapes how your country is run, but also brings along various challenges that we must face together. Am I right?
yes, absolutely right. But don't worry, even though there are many obstacles, we can overcome them if we understand what they are and how to face them, you know?
So that we don't just guess around and explanations starlight from someone who understands this topic well. Let's immediately welcome a speaker who will share insight about the challenge of democracy in Indonesia, especially regarding threats, challenge, obstacles, and disturbance. Welcome to RJ!
Okay, before start podcast, please introduce ourselves.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Angel.
Hi, Angel!
My name is Sasha Ramadhani.
Hi, Tasya!
My name is Siska Priscilia.
Hi, Siska!
Okay, today we are going to discuss the challenge of democracy in Indonesia, especially about ATHG in NKRI.
That's right! ATHG stands for Threat, Challenge, Obstacles, and Disturbance that can affect Indonesia's democracy and national unity.
Okay, before we begin, let's talk about democracy itself. What is democracy?
Democracy is a system where people have the freedom to express opinion, participate in election, and help decide the future of their country.
Okay,
Even though democracy gives many freedoms, Indonesia still faces several problems. Can you give an example of a threat to democracy?
of course, one example is the spread of fake news or hoax on social media. Many people share information without checking if it is true. This can create misunderstanding, conflict, and even division in society, especially during election. Okay, that's very true. So, what about the chance of democracy?
Indonesia is a very diverse country with many ethnic groups, culture, language, and religions. Because of this diversity, maintaining harmony and tolerance becomes an important challenge. People must learn to respect difference and avoid discrimination. Yes, social and economic inequality can become obstacle because not all citizens have equal access to education and jobs.
Besides that, corruption and tolerance can disturb democracy. Corruption reduces public trust in the government, while intolerance can threaten national unity. Okay. So, what can you people do to help protect democracy in Indonesia?
Young people should use more social media wisely. Think critical before believing information, respect difference, and participate positively in society. Small action can create positive change for the country.
Okay.
Today, we learn that democracy in Indonesia still faces many ADAG problems such as hoax, inequality, corruption, and intolerance.
However, with cooperation, awareness, and unity, Indonesians can maintain democracy and protect the unity of NKRI. Okay, thank you guys for us here in podcast. Okay, thank you guys for studying here.
Yes, you're welcome.
And thank you for listening and see you in the next